Hey, stock market traders, welcome back, and thank you for coming back and subscribing to my channel. Let's look at the charts. Another update. Oh, really? Yup. And now it is above all major short-term, long-term moving averages. It doesn't get any more bullish than this. Yesterday, I mentioned that this would be a battleground right here between all these moving averages. But what happened this morning, it opened kind of flattish, push higher, and it closed near the highs of the day. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart and see what happened intraday. Like I said, it opened flattish and pushed higher immediately. Light pullback, and then it bounced that 46.70 level, which I talked about yesterday. This was a war zone, this area right here. Comes back into it, expect some choppiness. Tomorrow, I hope it just takes a breather and then just trades around this area, still above these moving averages, around this area here for the next day or two, and then push higher. That way I can buy it because it hasn't given me a chance to buy. Look, from here to here in a straight line. If I buy it up here, I'm just going to feel like I'm just chasing. I don't want to do that. We're about 50 points away from all-time high. Can you believe that? Crazy. As long as we remain above these moving averages, the path of least resistance will be north. Let's now take a look at the Nasdaq 100. Similar story to the S&P 500. Yesterday I mentioned that this was the war zone between all these moving averages. They all converged in this area, this zone. What happened today, it opened around the 50-day moving average and quickly pushed higher out of that war zone. It is now above all moving averages, so the path of least resistance will be higher. Although it kind of moved up a little too much, too fast. I hope it consolidates around this area for a day or two and then try to push higher. That way I can add to my position. I think a setup up here will offer a good ratio, good risk to reward ratio with a highly predictable outcome. If that's the case, I will add to my position and raise my stop loss to up here underneath all these moving averages. We'll see. Let's zoom in to the 60-minute chart and see the price action for today. It opened here, pushed higher, retraced, and look at that bounce off the 20-day moving average. Bounced off of it and closed near the high of the day. Very, very, very bullish. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart so you can see that bounce off the 20-day moving average. Look how beautiful that was. To the penny. It is now above all major moving averages, so the path of least resistance is north. But it'll be nice if it takes a little break, consolidate for a day or two, and then push higher. Now let's take a look at the Philly Semiconductor Index. Very bullish, just like the other indices. Been trading in a range for the last few weeks. Now it's above all moving averages. And as long as it can stay above these moving averages, as long as it can stay above all these moving averages for the next few days, expect new all-time high soon. Small caps, Russell 2000 IWM is still in a bear trend. Doesn't look good. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck trading tomorrow. I'll do an update tomorrow.